Hey everyone, welcome back. Is it Trust Wallet taking forever to load or spins endlessly every time you try to open it when your internet is fine? Here are 3 iPhone fixes that speed it up immediately. First, go to your settings app and then toggle the airplane mode option on, wait for 15 seconds and then toggle it back off. This resets your entire iPhone network connection from scratch. This one trick alone fixes slow loading most of the time. If it's still slow, go to your settings again and scroll down to find Trust Wallet in the app list or just search for it directly. Tap on it and make sure background app refresh is switched on. Without this, Trust Wallet starts loading from zero every single time you open it, which makes it feel very slow. Finally, in the settings, go to General, then go to iPhone Storage, and then check the storage bar at the top. If your iPhone is nearly full, apps like Wallet run noticeably slower. Tap Offload app on unused app to free up space quickly. After all these 3 changes, Trust Wallet will load much faster. So, all you've got to do is turn airplane mode on to reset network, background app refresh on for Trust Wallet, free iPhone storage. Trust Wallet will load fast again, and that's it. Subscribe.